So this is Business Math 1A, Credit 1, Section 3.1, the average monthly expenditures. So first question that we are going to try to answer is, what are monthly expenditures? And to provide an example. So monthly expenditures are the items that you spend your money on every month, okay? This could be the mortgage payment, groceries, an electric bill, gas, or different payments that you need to do every month, constantly. The second question is, what do you think is the benefit of keeping track of your money? And that is simply to have an organization of your monthly expenditures. You can find out how much you have spent in this month and how much you need for living expenses for every month. And the third question is, what is a budget sheet? This is simply a record of your expenditures. Now we go ahead and fill in the following formula. Okay. So the formula is average monthly expenditures equal to the sum of monthly expenditures over or divided by the number of months. So now we go to our concept check. And it says, number 1, find the average monthly expenditures of the following. So we have 3 months. The monthly expenditures for January, that is $795. For February is $776. And for March is $751. So our step number 1 is to find the sum of monthly expenditures. What does that mean is that we need to add these 3 amounts right here, where you see the first line and the sign of dollars. So my first month is $795. My second month is $776. And my third month is $751. When you add those numbers, you find 795 plus 776 plus 751. That gives us a total of $2,322. $2,322. Our step number 2 is to take the sum of monthly expenditures and divide it by the number of months. So the sum of monthly expenditures is what we just found, which is $2,322. We divide it by the number of months. We have January, February, and March. That is 3 months, right? We'll go ahead and do the division. So we had 2,322 divided by 3 months. That gives us a result of $774. $774. So our average monthly expenditure then is $774. Okay, now for our next exercise. It says, use the Miller's records of monthly expenditures in figure 3.1 on page 147. That means that you have to go to your textbook and look for page 147. Look for a figure 3.1. I have here the amounts, just to make it easier for all of us. These are the amounts that we are going to be working with. So step number 1 is the same step number 1 that we did in our previous example. So the amount of our first month is 41.74. Our second amount is 54.92, and the last one is 71.46. Now again, we're gonna add all of this. That is 41.74 plus 54.92 plus 71.46. That gives us a total of 168.12. $168.12, right? So again, our monthly expenditures, 168.12. In our step 2, we go ahead and take the sum of monthly expenditures, which is what we just found, and divide it by the number of months. We are using the same formula. Our first formula, sum of expenditures over the number of months. So we go ahead and we write the result we just found, 168.12, and we count how many months. We have 1, 2, and 3. So 3 months. We go ahead and do the division, and our total is 56.04. So our average monthly expenditure is 56.04 cents. Now go ahead in your textbook, look for section 3.1, the homework, and please complete problems 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, and 15.